Hello, this is my video review of something newer, like revolvers or something. This thing is my favorite, See, this is a revolver. It just ate it up. Okay, I bought it for $24. Yes, and it has a few instructions. Same as the original gun. That blah blah. Okay. Said do not use indoors, do not fire than 1 feet to ear. Should only use under adult supervision. Caps or guns may be hazard misshaped. Maybe. I have no bullets. I use it, but still I've bought something. It's cost $10. Okay, let's see the bullets later. I've got 3 examples for that. Two examples of the gun. Okay, I will not show you how to this guy use. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. Okay, this is the revolver. This is the silencer or long range gun. This is the target shooting. Okay, revolver. You need to put this piece over here. Just do that. And you need to pull this thing up so that you can feel it. Okay, let's. Okay, here it is. Okay, there's this red tin that you need to put it, the powder of it. Okay. Okay, it's not ready. Okay, I'll just test 1 bullet. Okay, let's clip this thing out. Okay, and okay. Okay, I'm just gonna fix it so that you can see it. Okay, can you see it? Okay, I'm gonna fire it. Can you hear it? Okay, that's pretty good. That's the gun, but so the bolt did came off, that's I'm gonna test it. Okay, that's it. Yeah, that guy has a bolt, Okay, you see? That's how that good this gun is. That's why it's awesome. It's very dangerous, That's why I don't play with it. I don't play with this. I just play it when it has no bullets or something. I'm gonna buy a bullet again. Okay, some bullets. Okay, I'm just gonna take. Do you know why do I buy a revolver? Because I'm adding on Metal Gear Solid 3, 4, 5. I mean 5 years to 5. 3, 4, 3, 2, 4. I'm adding that because Ocelot is there and he has that revolver thing in the tree. He always spins and I can do that. Let's do that first. Okay, just dig in. Okay, just dig in, you know. There's a rotating barrel, and there's the, you need to flip this thing so that you can fire it. Okay, this is the silencer. Yeah, before I spin it, I'll show you a few parts. This is the holder, this is the trigger. Okay, this, I know all this thing, so okay, this thing, that's you need to pull it so that you can put the guns. Okay, let's now example. I do like this, and some other do like this. That's why I can't do it. I just only do like this. A finger on. If you want like this, so that you can spin it perfectly. Okay, I'm not really good at that. So wait. So first, do like this. So flip this. Your finger, you need to shoot it on this piece. You can shoot it over here or here. Because if it's here, you cannot shoot it, you know. So if it's here, you will shoot it. Okay, ready, set, go. See? Easy. And I'm not really good at that, you know. See, I can do it. That's our target sequence. Okay. This is not really a power gun. Just only sounds and thank you for watching. So okay, again, my video review of my wolf. Real wolves. Okay. Thank you for watching. And please subscribe. This is my link.